Namaskar. Jai Shri Krishna. Retaining text 69, text 70, text 71, text 72 of chapter 18. Conclusion: the perfection of renunciation of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Text 69. Nacha tasmana manushayeshu kashraviname priya kruttamah bhavita nachame tasmad nayah Priyataro Bhuvi. There is no servant in this world more dear to me than he, nor will there ever be one more dear. Text 70. Adha yesha yate saya imama dharmayam samvada mava yoha jnana yadnena tena hamishtaha syamiti me matiha. And I declare that he who studies this sacred conversation of ours worships me by his intelligence. Text 71. Shraddha vanana suyashrava shrunuya dapi yo naraha so api muktaha shubhal lokan prapa nuyata punya karmanam. And one who listens with faith and without envy becomes free from sinful reactions and attains to the auspicious planets where the pious dwell. In the 67th verse of this chapter, the Lord explicitly forbade the Gita's being spoken to those who are envious of the Lord. In other words, Bhagavad Gita is for the devotees only. But it so happens that sometimes a devotee of the Lord will hold open class, and in that class not all the students are expected to be devotees. Why do such persons hold open class? It is explained here that although not everyone is a devotee, still there are many men who are not envious of Krishna. They have faith in him as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. If such persons hear about Krishna from a bona fide devotee, the result is that they become at once free from all sinful reactions, and after that attain to the planetary system where all righteous persons are situated. Therefore, simply by hearing Bhagavad Gita, even a person who does not try to be a pure devotee attains the result of righteous activities. Thus, a pure devotee of the Lord gives everyone a chance to become free from all sinful reactions and to become a devotee of the Lord. Generally, those who are free from sinful reactions, those who are righteous, very easily take to Krishna's consciousness. The word Punya Karmanam is very significant here. This refers to the performance of great sacrifices, like the Ashwamedha Yajna mentioned in the Vedic literature. Those who are righteous in performing devotional service but who are not pure can attain the planetary system of the pole star or Dhruva Loka, where Dhruv Maharaj is presiding. He is a great devotee of the Lord and he has a special planet which is called the pole star. Text 72. Kachi detacha chuttam partha tava yeka grena chetasa kachida jnana samamoha pranashtaste dhananjaya. O son of Pritha, O conqueror of wealth, have you heard this with an attentive mind? And are your ignorance and illusions now dispelled? The Lord was acting as the spiritual master of Arjun. Therefore, it was his duty to inquire from Arjun whether he understood the whole Bhagavad Gita in its proper perspective. If not, the Lord was ready to re-explain any point or the whole Bhagavad Gita if so required. Actually, anyone who hears Bhagavad Gita from a bona fide spiritual master like Krishna or his representative will find that all his ignorance is dispelled. Bhagavad Gita is not an ordinary book written by a poet or a fiction writer. It is spoken by the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Any person fortunate enough to hear these teachings from Krishna or from his bona fide spiritual representative is sure to become a liberated person and get out of the darkness of ignorance. Thank you.